In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Instagram Shop with Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add Meta's official integration to your Shopify store so you can sync products and get ready to sell on Instagram. First, open your Shopify admin and land on your store's home dashboard. Make sure you're logged in with an account that has permission to install apps. If you manage multiple stores, double check you're in the correct one before moving on. From the admin, look to the bottom left corner and open Settings. This is where Shopify keeps store-wide controls, including your apps and sales channels. Inside Settings, find and click Apps or Apps and Sales Channels depending on how your dashboard is labeled. This page lists everything you've already installed and is also the gateway to adding new tools. Next, select Shopify App Store. This will open the official marketplace where you can discover and install trusted integrations. If it opens in a new tab, keep your original admin tab handy. You'll come back to it shortly. In the App Store's search bar, type Meta. You're looking for the official app that connects Facebook and Instagram to Shopify. It's the integration that lets you sync your product catalog so your Instagram shop can display real-time pricing, titles, and inventory. Open the Meta app listing to review details. You'll see features, screenshots, and permissions. Taking a moment here helps you understand what access the app needs, like managing products and sales channels, which is standard for catalog syncing. When you're ready, click Install. Shopify will prompt you to confirm the permissions the app is requesting. Read through them so you're clear on what you're granting, then continue. You may see a second confirmation screen in your Shopify admin. Go ahead and click Install again to finalize. Shopify will process the request and add the app to your store. After installation, you'll land in the app's setup area inside your Shopify admin. From here, the on-screen prompts will guide you through connecting your accounts and preparing your catalog for Instagram shopping. A few quick tips to make that next part smooth. Be sure your product listings have clear titles, descriptions, prices, images, and inventory. Have shipping and refund policies published on your store, and confirm you have access to the Instagram account and business assets you plan to use. If you don't see certain options, check your Shopify staff permissions or try refreshing the page. That's it for installing the Meta app through Shopify. You've set the foundation to enable Instagram Shop and start tagging products in posts and stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.